Okie dokie, welcome back. So I've just got myself a parcel through the door. Actually went out and got it from the post office because I got it delivered to the post office, and it's the Evercade VS-R. So I got this after getting the Pocket Mini kind of Game Boy style ones that they've got. I'm getting all the cartridges and I'm just hooked on the games, and I thought, you know what, let's go ahead and get the console because I want to play some of these Neo Geo ones on the telly, and it's just come through, so super excited about it. So let's do a quick little unboxing. Don't really know what to expect, kind of anticipating the size of this, whether it's a big thing or a small thing, but I guess we'll find out. So let's just crack this open. Everything's packed really nicely as you'd expect, no open boxes or damaged boxes. I ordered this from the same place that I got the games from, which in the UK here is Funstock. And actually I didn't order this from Funstock. I got my games and my Game Boy style versions of this, the pocket ones, from Funstock. This one I actually got from JD because it's actually sold out everywhere, and I got it on a pretty decent deal. I think I paid around about £64 for it, something like that. So I'm really happy with that. So yeah, so on the cover here we've got a really nice box, very high quality premium stuff in terms of the finishing, the printing and the packaging. So looks really nice. That I don't want to damage this box, so I've got to be super careful when I open it. So let's see, do we just get this tab out like this? Generally when I open these I do tend to mess them up, but let's just have a look. So what does it say on here? No school like old school. Absolutely old school like me, and there's no school like old school. So let's just open this up, and there we go. Beautiful stuff. So we've got our lovely instruction quick start guide over here. Not too bothered about that. Oh, look at that. So that's the size of the console. It's actually not a bad size, that. So let's just get this out from here. Gotta be careful, don't want to damage it. I really do like their packaging. That's just a bit of extra card over there. So if we grab hold of this, it's quite difficult to get out. I know that's the part that flips up, so maybe take this part out first. No, you can just yank it out like that. So turn it around. There we go. Good stuff. Check that out, eh? Nice, cool little console, that, isn't it? So we've got the ports for the controllers on the front, so you can add 4-player on it. You've got this kind of like a grill section here. That's going to be the 2-second button that you got to hold, the on button. And then at the back you've got the HDMI. Don't know what that red dot's for, and that's just micro USB. Sides looking good. And then we've got the VS-R Evercade dual cartridge system. So if we open that up from there, so if you open this up from the top, you've got the 2 slots where you can put 2 of your cartridges in, which is fantastic. Overall, feels decent, good solid build, not flimsy or anything like that. You got the rubber feet at the bottom, the grips. So let's just put this to the side here, and then from the box let's grab hold of the controller. So actually I think, oh, at the back of this there's the cable, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. So at the back of the box you've got the USB cable. So that's the micro USB to standard USB over there. So that's just going to charge up your actual console. So you're just going to have to put it into a standard plug. So look at the controller now. So that out of the way. That controller is pretty cool, isn't it? I mean, just look at that. Proper retro old school style, and I really like the color of this. I wanted to get the black one, the black and turquoise one, but they didn't have that in stock. But I am actually really liking this. This looks awesome. Love the quality of it. The quality is really good. Seems solid. The buttons are nice and clicky. D-pad's looking good. Starting to select middle button, and I really like that. Feels really nice as well. It's a decent grip. It's the square rectangle shaped controller. Yank that open and see what the length of this wire is like, because you know how it is with old school, with wide controllers. You need a decent length in order to sit down and play your games if you sat on the sofa. So that's a pretty decent length. Yeah, I think that'll work nicely. So that's it. That's for the quick initial unboxing of the Evercade VS-R. I'm gonna properly review this, try it out and see how it is. So if you've got this, if you've tried this, if you've got any like experience with this kind of mini retro console, then let me know in the comments below. Does it work? Is it just a gimmick? Is it a flop? See how it works, and I'll do a proper review of the entire thing, and then I'll see you on the next one. So take care of yourself, keep gaming, no school like old school. Peace.